In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Samsung 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack or power bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the power bank model that you have from Samsung, you will be able to follow the instructions in this video to charge it. So even if you have a lower capacity one like 10,000 milliamp hour, you can still follow along. Usually, these power banks will include a USB-C cable that you must use to charge it. You can use any other random USB cable, but I would highly recommend sticking to the one that came with the power bank. This way, it is going to be the correct wattage and ensure that the process works. Now, you can find any available USB-C port or look for a clearly labeled one on your particular power bank model. Plug one end of the USB cable into the power bank and the other one goes into a wall adapter that of course is plugged into a wall outlet. As long as you use the provided USB cable and then any wall adapter, it is going to begin charging. There is no secret to this. Once it is plugged into the wall adapter on a wall outlet, it is going to begin receiving power and charging. So just make sure that you set it up this way with ideally the provided USB-C cable that came with your purchase. When it is correctly inserted, these lights will begin blinking. So it is going to indicate that it is charging because they will fill out one by one. And once all four of them are filled, it indicates that the battery has been charged up to 100%, fully charged, ready to use with any compatible device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on charging your Samsung power bank, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.